In this short tutorial, I will show you how to set the Google search bar on the home screen of your Samsung device. Having easy access to the Google search bar can be very convenient for quickly searching the web without having to open a browser. Thankfully, setting up the Google search bar on your Samsung's home screen is a simple and straightforward process. To get started, tap and hold the home screen of your Samsung device. And then tap Widgets. After that, scroll down until you see the Google option. Tap on it. And then scroll down again, and you'll see the Google search bar widget. To set the Google search bar on the home screen of your Samsung device, simply tap on it. And then tap Add. The Google search bar is now on the home screen. You can also move this and resize it if you like. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.